is currently 6:03. I usually never start a trip in base this early. This is my first time actually starting a trip this early out of base. Usually I start later, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, nighttime trips. That's usually what I like to do, but I am actually getting ready to go get my food that I meal prepped out of the fridge. I made it last night. I'm here in Atlanta at my parents' house because that's where I stay when I'm not at school. I woke up at 5:30. I am exhausted. But I finished pretty early today. I have 3 legs today. But I'm not gonna go to sleep when I get to my layover because you have to discipline yourself. And if I know if I go to sleep, I'm not gonna end up going back to sleep tonight. So right now I'm just gonna go downstairs and put my food in my lunch bag, and then I'll be out of here. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, so I made it to the airport. I'm currently in the employee lot just waiting for the bus. I just missed one of them because they run together. Here's another one coming right here. So I'll just see you guys when I get on the airplane. Literally so tiny, you guys. This dress is a 0P. So
talk about, quiet with a big mouth, listen for the doubt, then call it, make you out for what you say to me, look at every single date, if you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal, legs you can unseal, key in ignition, just keep me full like at a meal, once in a while, feel alright, I know you like it, can't fight it, I might let you ride the wave. New York and your LA come together, feel the shock waves.
Coming to you guys looking crusty. Alright, so I'm actually, right now it's 8:29. I'm not as tired as I was earlier, honestly, but I do still feel kind of tired. But it's 8:29. I'm gonna shower now and do my hair and just wind down and get ready for bed. So I have to wake up at 5:30 in the morning. Not looking forward to that. Those type of report times are really hard. But yeah, I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for bed. So I will just see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So it is currently 6:30. We're boarding. I had to wake up at 5 o'clock this morning, but I'll talk to you guys more when I get to Atlanta. It's a quick 34-minute flight, so yeah. Alright, you guys, so I know I have not talked to you all day, but I made it to my hotel room. It is 12:40 p.m. and I'm done for the day. I'm here all day. I don't leave tomorrow morning until Oh, I have to wake up at 4 a.m. because we have like a 5 o'clock van, so I'm probably gonna wake up at 4. I'm exhausted. I have homework to do, and yeah. Today was a pretty uneventful day. I only had 2 legs. I left, where was I yesterday? Where was I? Oh, Huntsville. I was in I was in Alabama yesterday, and then I did 1 leg to Atlanta, and then I did Atlanta to Arkansas, and that's where I am right now. I'm really tired. I need to discipline myself today. I'm not gonna go to sleep because yesterday I fell asleep and took like a power nap, and I was up until 1 o'clock in the morning and only got a couple hours of sleep. So hey guys, today's gonna be uneventful. I mean, I might go to the steam room, like the spa, but then again, I don't know if I will because I did not bring my flat iron and my hair is going to puff up, and yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But as of right now, I'm about to heat up some food again, eat. It's gonna be a boring day. It's a boring vlog because we just not really doing nothing. Oh, me and the crew, we were talking about going to Topgolf because it's literally just right next door. Like, you can just walk next door, but it's so cold, so we're not going. So hey guys, I will see you guys later. Alright, good morning y'all. It's 5:46. I was running really late this morning because I was so tired. I sneezed my alarm and I literally almost missed the airport shuttle. But I woke up at 4 a.m. It's 5:46. We're gonna start boarding soon, and we're gonna be on the way to Atlanta. It's 2 legs today. I go Arkansas back to Atlanta. I have a 3.5-hour sit, which is probably gonna be longer because our flight time is super short, and the captain said we're probably gonna get in early, which they'll probably have to give me a hotel room, but I'm probably just gonna end up going home and then coming back to the airport. And then I go from Atlanta to Dayton, Ohio, and then I'm done. Oh my god, I'm so exhausted, you guys. I definitely have to get coffee when I get back to Atlanta, but I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I finished my first flight, and I'm currently sitting in the F concourse in the airport. I have like a 3.5-hour sit here until I actually do my last leg. So yeah, haven't really been doing much, just kind of been on Instagram and stuff like that, which you should go follow me, by the way. So okay guys, so I'm on the plane. I have 1 more leg and then I'll be done for the day. I have some promotional posts to do, so I'm actually going to take those when I get to the hotel. And yeah, you guys, pretty boring trip, like I said, but I'll see you guys when I get to the hotel. I'm not going to vlog in flight because it's boring. Alright. Hey guys. So currently I'm in my hotel room. I'm about to take some Plain Company apparel pictures because I need to start posting this stuff on my Instagram. So as I've been saying throughout this whole entire video, go and follow Plain Company Apparel on Instagram so you can get updates on my launch. This is a startup business, so I need all the support that I can get, and I love my YouTube family, although I'm not the most consistent. But I love you guys, and I appreciate it every time that you guys watch my videos. So please go and follow the Instagram page so you can see stuff that I'm launching. Because if you're not following, what are you doing? Anyways, guys, I'll let you know when I'm done. I am filming this on my iPhone. I do not have a camera, so I won't actually be able to show you me shooting my pictures, but you're gonna see them if you follow me on Instagram. All right. Good morning, guys. It's 9 o'clock. I actually woke up at 5:30 this morning. Oh my god, like my freaking tripod in the hotel. Oh, damn it. I just realized I left my camera tripod in the hotel. I gotta call the hotel, guys. Hold on. Alright, guys, so I just spoke to the hotel and they're gonna mail me my tripod. Oh my god, I cannot believe I left my tripod. Oh my god. That is just something that I wouldn't do, and I know it's because I freaking woke up late. It ain't nobody's fault but my own. But I'm done with the trip, y'all. I'm just gonna end the vlog here because right now I'm about to go home and then pick up some stuff and then go back to school. So I'll just see y'all in the next vlog. If you liked it, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and peace.